Everybody's wanting to create something with their hands. They want to play with fire. They want to sew with fire. That's what it's about. If you enroll in a welding program, we're going to get you in a welding booth as soon as possible. This is not a college class where it's a classroom only, lecture only. This is hands-on.
We teach shielded metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, gas metal arc welding, and flux core arc welding. Skilled trades is what's built America. I mean, everything we have, everything we buy, everything we build has been touched by craftsmen.
I like welding because it's not necessarily repetitive. You're not doing the exact same thing every day. While it is kind of dangerous, I just think it's very, very fun.
I do think that anybody can pursue welding. It's a detailed, very skill-based procedure. It's a lot of fun.
The mobile welding labs has given individuals opportunities that would have never existed prior to this. The welding labs has made availability to other colleges outside of the normal service area simply because we can teach all disciplines of welding in the mobile labs, and they're rigged out and equipped to do so. And then once the short-term training is completed, the unit can be loaded up, moved to the next location.
Georgia has a multitude of opportunities for welders in general. Whether they go into manufacturing, industrial, commercial construction, or even possibly own their own business. Those opportunities are out there.
The biggest thing that's attractive for the welding industry is the paycheck involved. This is a skilled trade, and it pays good return on your investment, both in time and in money.
I think the highlight of the program would definitely be the resources that are available to me. So if you're having trouble with a project or anything, they push you, like they really encourage you to do good. They give me the motivation to do that.
I feel like this program gives a leg up, and it gives some preliminary practice to move on in the industry. Everybody is very supportive. Everybody really wants to help everybody else out.
Come check out the TCSG system. Come look at our classes, do a tour. Come in here, and if you're interested in welding, we'll put you in the booth and let you burn some rods and just to see what it's all about.